Welcome back to Ways Learning, and what are we doing today? Well, today we're learning about how to take care of bugs and spiders and insects that are coming into your house. And there's really three tools you have to kind of prevent this. The first one is you can go to your big box stores. You can go here in Wichita to Woodard Mercantile. If you don't want to, you can go to Target, Walmart, and get this. If you don't want to hassle with it, usually once a quarter, you can just pay somebody here in Wichita. Bugs R Us does a great job. Terminex, Ortho, they all come out and treat your house for spiders. But it's pretty simple. It's something you can do yourself. The first line is you want to get just a basic spray. I just get this Ortho Home Defense. Pretty simple. You pop the top here, you pull down the plunger, and you're ready to spray. And you just spray it along the baseboards, around your house, around your vents, behind your toilets. Anywhere where you're going to be looking for insects or bugs or spiders. The other thing you can have is, this is a fogger. This is when you get more of an infestation. You know, maybe in your pantry you get some kind of like little flower bug, or if you have some kind of other infestation. But you simply shake these up, pop the top, and you're going to want to be gone because it's going to slowly fog and fill the whole room. I'll show you a little bit later in the video how I do in the attic as far as if you're going to treat, if you have a shake roof, you want to treat for Brown Recluse Spiders. I'll show you how to put these foggers safely in your attic so you can cover your attic with enough stuff to kill the insects, but you're not going to spill them and they're not going to get on your sheetrock. But this fogger is pretty good. It does a lot of times recommend you don't want to have an open flame source, so you'll turn off your water heater or turn off your furnace and run them, and they'll tell you how to do it in the can. But these are great if you have some kind of infestation. The main one I use besides the spray are these. They kind of look like they're made for mice, but they actually catch spiders pretty well. And they're just simply glue boards. And all you're going to simply do is buy them. They come in, they're 3 or 4 in a pack. They've got glue on them. You peel this off, and then you simply fold them up where they're flat. And then you're going to place them. I put them behind the toilets a lot of times. And then you're going to put them along, let's say you're in a bedroom, you'd put them on each corner of where your beds are going to go. But there's this little tab comes in there. I'm kind of struggling here with it, but it's actually pretty easy. Once you get it folded, then you're simply going to go to, like I said, behind your nightstand or behind your toilet, and then just kind of set them right along that baseboard. That's all you're going to do. It's pretty simple, but you can label them, and in a couple months you can put what like this is one's been there a while, 617, so it's been there 5 years. I'll usually put one down and take one up, and then this is what they catch. So if you're worried about spiders, that's a good way to do it. So on average in a lifetime, a person will swallow 9 spiders. So I'm trying to cut that average down, at least in our household. But I'll put these, like I said, at the corner of every bedpost, kind of out of the way. You don't even see them. Behind a nightstand in every bedroom. And then if I'm seeing a lot of spiders, I'll put them for a while behind the toilets. Like I said, you don't see them there. And they come in. They get on the glue, they stay. Other insects will see them, like if you trap an ant, spider will see it, think he can catch it, come in here, and he's gone. So those are your 3 kind of tools that you have. So all you're going to want to do is when you're spraying is you're going to want to get along the baseboard. So you've got the plunger pulled. You simply are going to walk. Nothing real crazy, just walk and spray. Just like the Ortho guy does. Hit the baseboards. And that's really it. And I'll go and I'll do the bathroom, spray around the toilets. I'll hit around the vents because spiders like to travel through the vent system. You'll spray around your trash cans in case any kind of bugs. I'll spray in the trash cans. I keep our big trash can outside, and I'll spray in it a couple times a year. That way if any bugs get in there in the bottom, they'll get enough chemical that should kill them. Here's a little tip for you. I just took an old car. One of those old school holders, flatten this out, put a screw in it, and then I simply come up, take out the old fogger. I've been shaking this one up as I go. I pop the top so it starts spraying. I set that in there, and then I walk to the next one. And I have 3 or 4 of these set up in my attic, but it's just a good way to get that dispersed where you don't have the risk of this tipping over and it spraying onto your sheetrock and getting a big spot in your ceiling. It just keeps it upright the way it's supposed to be and spraying, and so you don't have to worry about it. It's not going to come out of there. And that's it. But if you have a roof that has shake shingles, the #1 food source of brown recluse spiders is silverfish, and silverfish love shake roofs. So therefore, if you have a shake roof, you're going to have silverfish. If you have silverfish, you're going to have a brown recluse spider problem, mostly. So you need to get this up into the shakes or up into the roof, where when they want to come down into your house, the brown recluse spiders or the silverfish, there's a barrier, there's pesticide that's going to take care of them. So just a little tip there. But I thought that was a creative way to solve that solution of actually having it in your attic. Some people will set a board down. They'll set a board across the trusses, and then they'll set this on top of it, which probably will work fine too. But my fear was, as you start walking on the trusses and this vibrates, this will fall over. So just an easy way to keep it where it's supposed to be. Thanks for watching.